If you think you can successfully manage a project without a systematic approach, you're going to hit a wall. Hey there, strategic thinkers. Welcome to a world where your decisions can make or break your projects. Today we're diving into the powerful project management tool, enhanced by ChatGPT, to solve even the most complex challenges with ease. Imagine standing at the crossroads of an intricate project, and you miss critical information or rush a decision. It could mean setting off a chain reaction of costly mistakes, missed opportunities, and unmet goals. It's time to harness a strategic toolkit that ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Enter the Project Management Tool, a structured framework that guides you through planning, executing, monitoring, and closing your projects with finesse. But here's the kicker. We're empowering this tool with ChatGPT, enabling it to deliver structured, data-driven insights right when you need them. So what's the challenge? Picture launching a large-scale endeavor without clarity on objectives or stakeholder alignment. Failing to anticipate risks is like trying to navigate a ship through a storm without a compass. Here's where a systematic approach comes in to rescue. With a clear understanding of project objectives, ChatGPT assists us in crafting comprehensive project charters, detailing everything from scope to stakeholder engagement. Live, dynamic insights generate actionable solutions tailored to each step. Define your project with precision, and utilize ChatGPT to create a bespoke blueprint, ensuring all elements are meticulously covered. Then comes the project plan. Set measurable goals, identify key tasks and milestones, and map them out with stringent KPIs. Using ChatGPT to keep tabs on every metric guarantees you're always on track. Tasks are divvied up among a team of 20, each member a crucial piece of the puzzle. Decisions on resource allocation? ChatGPT aids by simulating potential outcomes, helping you stay adaptable and efficient. Now, imagine a dashboard that updates in real time. Monitoring becomes second nature, using tools like pre-mortem analysis and devil's advocacy to identify risks before they arise. ChatGPT becomes the safety net, flagging issues and suggesting course corrections, ensuring resilience at every turn. When it's time to communicate with your stakeholders, rely on a tailored communication strategy. Whether you're dealing with budget overruns or compliance hitches, ChatGPT helps draft regular updates that keep everyone informed and aligned. As the project wraps up, ChatGPT aids in reviewing the paths you've trodden. Documenting lessons learned ensures every experience becomes a stepping stone for future success. And by integrating ChatGPT with the project management tool, your projects stand to benefit from customized insights, ensuring success with each venture. Remember, strategic thinkers, these insights are flexible and can morph to adapt to your specific needs. Liked what you learned here today? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and join our newsletter for more strategic insights. Dive deeper into the art of project management with the book, AI-Powered Strategic Thinker, 3 hours, and visit my link tree for even more invaluable resources. Let's take a leap towards strategic success. Equip yourselves with these insights and conquer the challenges lying ahead like the true strategic thinkers you are.